Welcome to the Trade Table. Today we are going to discuss, do mini splits increase home value? Yes, here's why. Mini splits have gained the public eye's attention in recent years. Mini splits provide some unique benefits central air cannot, and recent technological improvements have made them more efficient than ever. But do mini splits increase your home's value? Yes, here's why. How mini splits increase home value? Mini splits are an excellent choice for new construction, or if it's finally time to replace that broken old AC unit. You can save space by discarding that bulky ducting and reducing your utility bills simultaneously. A serious win-win. But do they increase the value of your home? Let's look at the factors for why a ductless system could be a wise investment for you. 1. Ductless mini splits are ductless. Starting with the obvious, the ductless nature of mini splits is seen as a massive plus to potential home buyers. The saved space can increase the home's usable square footage and is generally a much better aesthetic. 2. Accessibility. Ductless owners rave about the convenience of air conditioning control in different zones. Because there is typically one air handler per room, providing zone heating. You don't need to walk all the way to a central thermostat when you want to change it. It can be a very nice feature if you forget to turn off the AC before bed. 3. Mini splits have higher efficiency. Ducting naturally causes heat loss. Because mini splits do not have any, they're estimated to be at least 30% more efficient than central air conditioning. Furthermore, new AC units can have a peak seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, of 26, but new ductless systems can reach 42, nearly twice as efficient SEER. Now the higher efficiency units are less powerful, and you can't usually expect that high of efficiency for smaller spaces. But if appropriately sized, mini splits can pay for themselves in just a couple of years, recovering the installation cost and adding a huge selling point for future buyers. 4. Mini splits allow flexible installation. Ductless systems have two parts, one or more indoor units and an outdoor unit. A very pragmatic aspect of mini splits is that they provide incredible flexibility regarding where to put the units. There are recommended conditions, such as airflow access, but they allow many more installation options than their ducted counterpart overall. This makes them great for renovations, especially when dealing with ducting is unreasonable or impossible. Plus, they're perfect in rooms of any size, from small to large. 5. Easier maintenance. Because the systems have fewer parts, mini splits are considered easier to maintain. There is no ducting to worry about dust and particle collection. Most regular maintenance includes just changing the filter. Since the indoor air handlers are meant to be accessible, they are easy to manage when needed. 6. They're a two-in-one system. Almost all mini splits provide heating and cooling, whereas traditional AC units only provide cooling and use a separate furnace to provide heating through the same ducts. This, and the lack of ductwork, is what makes mini splits such a compact, simple design. 7. Mini splits are quieter. Mini splits relegate their operational noise to the outside unit, keeping the noise out of your home. They are considered significantly quieter than central air systems, and the sound can be hidden away because of the flexibility in placing the outdoor condensing unit out of sight, out of sound, and off your mind. 8. Greater control. The zoning feature of multi-zone mini splits allows you to control different temperatures in different rooms, letting you keep the popular areas warm and the vacant areas cold. This is part of the energy efficiency capability ductless provides and the convenience of individual zone control. Ready to increase your home's value? There's an abundance of reasons getting a ductless system will likely increase your property value. Whether it's the flexibility with installation, the condensed two-in-one design, or the impressive energy savings they provide, mini splits are guaranteed to be an excellent long-term investment. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it enjoyable, please consider leaving a like and sharing any mini split-related question in the comments below. Also, don't forget to visit thetradable.com for the ultimate resource on mini splits.